Hey guys, coming in with a little quick video just to let you see how this one works. I'm about to bust it out for the first time. I could have used my Sawzall, but I'm gonna try out how this guy does cutting out stuff like this. I'm making this into a chicken box, a nesting box, because I got more chickens. I'm posting that video up as well. Or if you've seen this one, you probably seen the other one because I vetted that one first. But yeah, I'm gonna be using my Hyper Tough with this original blade that it came with. I mean, it feels like it's more for general purpose too, like for plastic like that. Or I could have used the variety ones that I bought from these, a little 10 pack that it comes with, the 15 piece T-shanks. But multiple purpose. There's a general purpose one right there. And there's all kinds of stuff. Little tools and stuff. No, you can't see. But yeah, let me set you guys up right here. I'm too lazy to go get my tripod, so this is gonna be a little weird video. Actually, I'm gonna put this in front since the camera's over here. So as you can see, the camera's holding it up. That's that wide angle view. And the camera's way over here. Well, actually, my fingers are about 6 inches away from the phone now. Now they're right in the front. But alright. Now, I'm not too sure if I can do it like this. Eyeglasses. Okay. Got my sweat as always. Put on your ear protection. Kind of loud when it's on high. Always got to protect your ears. Gloves. I don't figure I need them right here at this point. You can wear them if you choose to. Doing a good job. No stalling, no nothing. Watch. Shit. I'll even give you a one-hand tour look. One hand, man. One second, let it flow. I got plastic bits all over my mouth and everything with talking and shit. Oh my god. No, I didn't do the best job, but I'm gonna come in there and finish it up right now. But that's it right there. So I mean, you can even use this for a little hutch or a little something. Whales, some cardboard on there or something. But I'm gonna be using this for the chickens. Like that, but I'm gonna clean this up. It's gonna be cleaned up. But yeah, and that's on 4.5, I believe, or 4. It was actually the 4, because the 4.5 it still sounded kind of, you know, kind of more stronger. Look, that's 4.5. And when you put it at 1, I don't even know why they put a 1. The thing barely even turns on, like nothing. They should have just put from 2 to 6. Because then again at 2, it barely moves like that. Let's try that. Let's try the 1.5. And there's barely starts moving. That 1.5. Or fucking attach something to that motherfucker moving like that. Alright guys. But yeah, that's the Hyper Tough. For 20 bucks you get your little jigsaw 2.0. A 3.5 amp. I was actually, I thought it was a 2. It's a 3, so it's pretty good. It does little simple jobs, little simple DIY jobs. And stuff like that. But yeah guys, thank you for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. And next time I test out more of my tools, I should put a little short video open, that way you guys can see what they do. But alright guys, thank you.
12, the people's choice.